Hello, good morning. Question number 9. Question number 9 is related to once again same, that is a mean median mode calculation in case of ungrouped data. The question is like this: find out arithmetic mean, median and mode. Right, this was the question for the find out the arithmetic mean, median and mode. The variables are like this: x, 8, 12, 15, 20, 25, and a frequency like this: 3, 4, 9, 7, 3. Now, as I said that in case of computation of the median, what we need to do? We need to first verify that for the case of median, is the variables are in ascending or descending order. That you have to verify. Now you see here 8, 12, 15, 20, 21 means what? It was increasing in order. Which order? Increasing order. So if it is increasing order, then no need to arrange the variables. You write the same as it is. This was the solution. X, 8, 12, 15, 20, 25. 20, next one is 25. Next use the frequency: 3, 4, 9, 7, 3. Now what you have to do is, now you need to multiply the entire numbers like this. 8 3s are, first you have to find CF instead of FX. You find the first CF. CF you have to find, then you need to find the remaining number. CF means what? 3. As it is 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 9 is how much? 16. 16 plus 7 is how much? 23. 23 plus 3, 26. If you find this total n equal to also 26. 3 plus 7, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 7, 23 plus 3, 26. Now you find the f into x. For this, CF is required for median purpose and fx is required for which purpose? Mean purpose, right? So 8 into 3, fx, f into x, 3 into 8, 24, or 12 into 4, 48, then 15 into 9, 135, 20 into 7, 140, 25 into 7, 3, 75. Now you need to add the numbers. Which number? 24 plus 48 plus 135 plus 140 plus 75. So it was 422. So 422 is the fx. Now what you have to find now? You need to find the first arithmetic mean, median and mode. Now I will do one by one. So first one is arithmetic mean. What is the formula for arithmetic mean? Like this: summation of f into x divided by n. What is summation of f into x? 422. Divided by what is n here? 26. So 422 divided by 26. So the answer is like this: 16.23. 16.23 is the answer. Then you find the which one? Median now. The median is like this. The size of n plus 1 is divided by 2 item, right? So n plus 1 by 2, that is size of n plus 1 by 2 means how much? 420. N is how much? 26. 26 plus 1 divided by 2. So the size of 26 plus 1 by 2 means how much? 13.5. Where the 13.5 comes here? See here now in the CF. 3 up to 3 is here, up to 7, then more than 7 to 16. The value is here. So this 13.5 comes in the 16. More than 7 to 16. Its variable is how much here? Variable is 15. So 15 is the median. So this was your x bar, that is mean, and this one is your median. Then what is the formula for mode? Mode is highest frequency variable. Is that possible to find that one, that type? As yesterday we saw the two problems. In those cases the highest number is repeated. Then it is not possible to find the mode. It is called a mode is struck or mode is ill-defined. So we are using that 3 median minus 2 mean formula when the highest number is the more than once. In this question, highest frequency 3, 4, 7, 9, 3. Highest is 9. Highest 9 number is there. So only one time the highest is there. So there is no problem of finding the mode by using this formula. Which formula? Mode equal to the variable having highest frequency. Which is highest frequency here? The 9 is the highest frequency in the problem. See, highest frequency is 9. Its variable is how much? 15. So 15 is your mode. So this was the solution all about the solution of mean median mode. So I will explain you first a little bit regarding this mode. Yesterday what we did, that 3 median minus 2 mean, that is in case of only if the highest frequency is more than 1 is there, more than once it is given. If it is difficult to find the mode because of the highest frequency is more than one time is there, then you need to use the 3 median minus 2 mean. If it is not like that, only highest frequency only one time is there, then you only use the variable is having highest frequency. This was the solution of your calculation of mean median mode. Now I will assign you one question, then that you have to copy and you send the answer to me. Now the question is like this. Question number 10 to all of you. Remember that I am assigning you the question number 10. Question number 10 is given to you like this. Find out the mean median mode for the following. So variable is like this: 15, 18, 19, 21, 23, 27. Frequency 3, 4, 9, 8, 10, last 9. Now in this question, if you see that the highest frequency is 10, only one time is there, its variable is 23, that was your mode. So again you have to use this formula now. No need to use the 3 median minus 2 mean formula. I hope that it is clear to each one of you. So this was the question for you to solve the question and send the scan copy to me. Clear? So this is all about your calculation of mean median mode, in which case, in case of discrete series, or remember discrete series, or else we call it is ungrouped data. In case of ungrouped data, clear? So this was the kind of solution. Now immediately I will present in front of you all the next method. Which method? The method is called group data. Remember group data, or else we call it is continuous series data. Right? Which data? Group data or continuous series data. Now immediately I will start that method. Which method? The method is called. Okay, before that let me clear one question, that is sometimes it may be given in the problem, that is calculation of missing frequencies. We call it as missing frequencies. Now I will write down question on the board. That question is based on, before to go to the next method, which method? Continuous series. Let me to start you with one question based on the missing values, that we call it as missing figures, right? Missing figure calculations. So just I will send you the next question. Next question means calculation of missing frequency immediately after this class. Thank you.